Hello everyone, this is Jeanette from Handmade by Jeannie. This video is me making these simple earrings with the tiger eye beads I got from Beebeecraft. For this project you're going to need 4 pieces. I've already made the other earrings, so 18 gauge gold wire, the 6mm tiger eye beads that I got from Beebeecraft, and a fish hook. And the tools I used was the round nose cutters and the chain nose flat nose pliers. Okay, to assemble, you just put the tiger eye bead in the middle of the wire. I'm using 1.5 inch. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. And you make a bend at the top of the bead, like so. And then I'm going to use the round nose pliers to make the loop, and I'll do that on both sides, and then you'll have the little charm that I'm going to make into these simple earrings to go with the bracelet I have on in the video. Just something simple you can wear in the summer with a nice dress, nothing too fancy. And the other side. Yep. Straighten it out, and I make 2 of those, and I hook them together and pop the fish hook on the top, and that's it. Very simple. And the bead is so nice, so it just makes the earring. With this, you can add as many charms as you want. I only used 2, but you can make 2, 3, 4, however long you want it to be. This is the end result of the DIY project using the Beebeecraft tiger eye beads. Simple and cute. I'll leave the links below to the Beebeecraft items that I got in case you want to check them out. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.